In this exercise, you will learn about digital multimeter, or DMM. Digital multimeter displays the measured value in actual number. It is a device used to test and measure voltage, current, resistance, frequency, and so on in electrical circuits. The main components of digital multimeter are digital display, range selector, mode selector, and input jacks. In this multimeter, 3 1/2 digit display mode is used. The 3 1/2 digit multimeter would have 3 full digits that display value from 0 to 9, and 1/2 digit that could only display 0 or 1. It displays 2000 counts, in other words, from 0 to 1999. The type of voltage or current measured is shown on the upper right corner of the display. The largest digits at the center of the display are the measured values. To the right of measured value, the display shows letter that represents units. The measurement range is shown at the lower right corner. Digital multimeter has auto-ranging facility. Press Range Selector. Push button to select Manual Range Mode to disable Auto Range Facility. By again pressing the Range Selector button, the ranges can be selected. To exit the Manual Range Mode, hold the Range Selector button for a few seconds. Mode Selector is used to set the meter to measure specific parameter. The modes available on multimeter are off mode, volts AC, volts DC, millivolts DC, resistance, diode check, amps or milliamps AC-DC, and microamps AC-DC mode. Off mode turns off the multimeter. Turning the switch to any other position will turn on the multimeter. Volts AC is used to measure voltage in AC circuit. Volts DC is used to measure voltage in DC circuit. Millivolts DC is used to measure low voltage in DC circuit. Resistance/continuity mode is used to measure resistance and continuity. Diode check is used to check healthiness of diode. Amps or milliamps AC-DC is used to measure current in AC or DC circuit. Microamps AC-DC is used to measure very small current in AC or DC circuit. When the measuring voltage or current and so on exceeds the selected range, then the multimeter displays over limit sign. It has 4 input jacks, 1 black color probe, and 1 red color probe. Black is always plugged into COM input jack. Red lead is used as positive terminal. Red lead is plugged into one of the remaining 3 input jacks, depending on measuring parameter. First input jack is used to measure current up to 10 amps. Second input jack is used to measure current in milliamps or microamps. The fourth jack is used to measure voltage, resistance, conductance, and capacitance. It is also used to check diode. The red button is used to toggle between AC and DC when measuring current. It is also used to toggle between resistance and capacitance when mode selector switch is set to resistance/continuity. Hold button is used to display the last stable reading until a new stable reading is detected. Min-max and peak min-max buttons are used to record minimum, maximum, and average values. Press HZ button to enter frequency counter mode. Yellow button in this multimeter is used to turn on the backlights. It will automatically turn off after a few seconds.